Good morning, children. So in the previous class you learned about the structure of electric cell. So today you are going to learn about how it works. Okay, how an electric cell work. So actually for that you already learned that now this is the electric cell, right? This is the electric cell, and here this is the positive terminal. Okay, positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal. And this positive terminal, from there if you are connecting the wire, okay, this is the copper wire. Okay, what it is? Copper wire. Then from this also, right, the another wire comes and connecting here. Okay, so here actually this inside what is stored in this cell, what is stored? Actually the chemical energy, that means the paste, that is the chemical paste present, that is the electrolyte, right? So here what is that? Actually it means it is having the chemical energy. Okay, when this two positive and the negative terminals of the copper wire connected here, and then if it is switch on, okay, there is, if here I didn't make any switch, if you make a switch over here, okay, see that switch, it is a symbol like this, that is switch. Okay, this is switch, it is now closed, so here it means switch on. Okay, when that time this chemical inside this there will be a reaction occurs, and then it flows, and then from the positive terminal to the negative terminal it comes. Okay, so here that wire, that means the electricity moving, that current flows from the that means the chemical energy converted into electrical energy when the switch on. Okay, that time see that it is moving, and if it is not connected, that means simply if you are without connecting any electrical appliances, what happens? Continuously this chemical stored inside will be used up, exhausted. Then afterwards the cell becomes dead, because then afterwards it cannot flow the electricity, because already the chemicals stored in it is used up. Okay, so that never connect like this. The two terminals without any electrical appliance should not connect. So that what we have to keep here, we have to keep a bulb. Okay, this is the bulb. Okay, when this when switch on, this energy, electrical energy flows from here, that is the current, electric current flows from the positive terminal to the bulb. Okay, this is the bulb, and from the bulb to the negative terminal it comes. Okay, that is known as the conventional flow of energy. Okay, conventional flow of energy. Understood how the electric, that means the bulb works, that means the electric cell, how does it work? That is actually when the torch, if it is on the torch, then that is, then when we switch on that torch, that time that here that chemical reactions occurs in between the electrolyte, and then the chemical energy converted into electrical energy, and that current will be passed from here, and then if it is totally connected, fully connected, complete circuit, so the bulb glows. From this we can come to know that it works or not. Okay, so it is actually the complete circuit. Okay, now you see, you can say that this also, it by that you can make, how you can make an electric circuit, a simple circuit with the lemon. Okay, for that I will explain here. See See, understood this, children, this conventional flow of energy means always the current passes from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, that is the conventional flow of energy. Okay, and now see how you can make. For that, actually take two copper wire. For example, this is one copper wire. Okay, one copper wire. And one more copper wire you have to take. Two copper wire take, then both the edges from here you have to just peel it, because it is bound with the plastic, right, or rubber, so that you have to, that is an insulation, you have to remove this. So how it will be, if you are peeling that, then it will be, you can see the symbol, this only, because this is the copper wire, right? You peeled from this the rubber, then you can see this two edges like this. This is actually the copper wire. Okay, and this copper wire, one end of the copper wire, this one you have to take first, and that you have to tie with actually this is one copper wire. Okay, one edge actually that you have to tightly coil with a sing. Okay, sing, you can say the strip, sing strip you can say. Okay, in this you have to tie it properly, and then this edge becomes free. Okay, the same way this also, another one also you have to take this copper wire. Okay, here one edge, another. This edge you have to connect with what? Copper nail. Okay, this is the copper nail. In this you have to coil it. Okay, tightly coil this. Then after this, both of the edges are free, and these two edges are coiled. This is the sing strip, and it is the copper nail. Okay, and then both of them you have to insert in a lemon. Okay, this is the lemon, you can say that the lemon. This is the lemon. Here inside the lemon, citric acid is there, right? So here this actually acts as the negative terminal, zinc base acts as the negative terminal, and the copper nail acts as the positive terminal, and here the lemon, in this the citric acid present, that acts as the electrolyte. Okay, electrolyte. So electrolyte, this lemon, then there will be a reaction occurs. After that the current flows. Okay, from this the energy, that electrical energy produces, and that electric current passes from this, that through these wires you can so know this. Actually in both the ends of this wire you can connect with a bulb. Okay, small bulb you can connect over here. Okay, then it glows. This is the bulb, it glows. So this is actually a simple electric circuit. Okay, you can make it yourself. And see, sometimes the people suddenly without if there is no bulb at in their hand for checking, no, you should not do this. Mostly the electricians like this, no, those people, they will check this one whether the current is flowing or not. For that, these two ends, without connecting itself, they will touch with the tongue, because that tongue, it contains the salty water, right, saliva. So that actually that time you will get a sensation. Okay, that sensation comes, that it's a tickling sensation. That is the presence of the electricity. Okay, that electric current, you will get in that feeling. Okay, so you people are so small, so don't do like that. Instead of that, you can connect that two ends with the bulb. This way you can make the simple electric circuit. Okay children, understood this one? So thank you children, have a nice day.